SolidEngineer. Inspiration to success.
Mimbly started off as a master thesis project at Chalmers University of Technology, and we incorporated in June of 2017, and that's where we met. And we asked ourselves the question, do we really need drinkable water to wash our clothes?
And the answer to that question turned out to be no. Reaching that conclusion meant doing a lot of prototypes, a lot of iterations to figure out what kind of product should this be. It turned out to be the Mimbox, and that's what we have today.
The name is the Mimbox, and it's an add-on device that you can connect to any brand of professional laundry machines. Our mission is to save waters. Water is a limited resource, and we need to rethink how we use it. So what does the Mimbox do? Firstly, it recycles water, and it does that with our patented recycling technology. Secondly, we reduce microplastic pollution, so we capture and remove microfibers using our filtration technology. And as a bonus to this process, it also reduces CO2 emissions. And it does that because we reuse already heated water. So the washing machines or the laundry machines doesn't have to heat the water. We are a young and growing company, and it's important to have the right tools to be able to grow and further develop ourselves. We chose SolidWorks because of its user-friendliness, but also because it's well known in the industry. We're also connected to the 3D Experience platform, and we think that will really help us develop new products and also help us with our growth. The 3D Experience platform is scalable, it's collaborative, and it's cloud-based, so we can work wherever we want and still sharing files. We're curious and looking forward to see where the 3D Experience platform will take us.
Yeah, the future challenges and possibilities at Mimbly are many. On the short term, it's about creating Mimboxes for different segments that can handle different types of water. Looking a bit further ahead, we want to expand our product portfolio and create products for even different industries that have things in common, such as wasting too much water, emitting microplastics, and emitting unnecessary amounts of CO2. And in order to do this, we need to keep coming up with great ideas, have a great team, but also good software tools such as the 3D Experience platforms to be able to work at projects simultaneously and keep a flow of new things coming out from Mimbly. And these different work streams all have one thing in common, and that's the big goal that we at Mimbly work towards, having a positive environmental impact.